Hey everyone, and welcome to the Tech Share. Today we're going to share a mobile Google Classroom tip. That's right, this tip will only work with the mobile version of Google Classroom. So let's take a look. As you can see, I've got my iPad pulled up, but you could also be using your iPhone or your Android device, basically anything that has the mobile version of Google Classroom. And you can go into one of your classes, and once you're there, at the bottom of the screen, you're going to have the stream, and you're going to have the classwork tab, and you're going to see people. And we're going to focus on the people option today, where you can see all of your students that are in your class. Here they all are. And here's the deal. If you wanted to call on students randomly using Google Classroom, you can now do that by going to the top right-hand corner of the mobile version of Google Classroom and selecting those little squares and diamond. And when you click on that, it says, hey, welcome to the student selector. And notice at the bottom of the screen, there's a start button. And when you click, it'll just automatically bring up the first student. So let's pretend you call on that student and they don't know the answer. Okay, you can just say, well, I'm going to call on them later. And it puts them back in the deck. Notice how on the right or on the left-hand side, they have not been picked yet. I haven't marked them absent, so essentially all of my students are still not picked. Now, if Annabelle was absent today, I could say, okay, she's absent. It puts her in the absent list so that we know not to call on her again as we're picking students. As students answer questions, I can say next, and it will basically recognize that that student has been picked. And now it will just keep going through as I say next and bring me to the end and randomly pick my student names. Now, when I reach the end of my deck, if I would like to start over, it will tell me that it's the end of the session and I can click Start Again. Now, there are multiple ways, of course, that you can do random student selectors. They're available in PowerTeacher as well now as Google Classroom, and I know Flippity has some templates that you can use as well. But for those of you that are looking to leverage Google Classroom even more, and you have the mobile version, hopefully this student selector tip will fit the bill. So that's it. That's your tip for today. Until we meet again, take care of yourselves. Bye-bye, and we'll see you real soon.